The Enchanted Forest Nursery will be closed this 4th of July to celebrate the birth of our nation. So go grab you some fireworks from Guerrilla Fireworks in Houston and celebrate with us. Happy 4th of July.